Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming core permissions and power settings so notifications can arrive. Open Settings and go straight to Apps, find WhatsApp, and turn notifications on. This ensures Android will deliver alerts. Once done, disable battery optimization for WhatsApp so the system won't stop background activity, and make sure background data is allowed on both mobile and Wi-Fi. These steps unlock the app's ability to run and receive pushes. They're quick, and they solve the most common blocking causes. Next, you adjust in-app and system notification details so alerts behave as you expect. Open WhatsApp's notifications menu and confirm tones, vibration, high-priority pop-ups, and message preview settings. This controls what you see. Then check Samsung's system notifications and do not disturb rules, making WhatsApp an exception and enabling app icon badges. Finally, update WhatsApp via Play Store and clear its cache if messages still don't trigger alerts. To finish, you isolate connectivity and account causes so the fix sticks. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reboot your phone, or toggle airplane mode to force re-registration with push servers. This resolves many delivery issues. If still broken, backup chats and re-login or reinstall WhatsApp to reset app state. If problems persist, test your account on another device or make a small test group to reproduce the issue. That single troubleshooting tip quickly shows whether the phone or WhatsApp account is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.